Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a monday.com doc template. Whether you're messing it, setting it up for managing projects, organizing team tasks, or anything else, this is going to be a comprehensive guide to get you started smoothly. Docs are especially useful if you want to keep important information, instructions, or plans directly connected to your workflow instead of scattered across different tools. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to monday.com. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logged into your account, so do that if you haven't already. Navigating to monday.com is like stepping into your digital workspace, so make sure you're comfortable and ready to make some magic happen, especially if you're setting things up for your store or your team. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is pretty straightforward. You want to click on the board that you wish to work with. A board in monday.com is essentially a collaborative space where you and your team can visualize tasks, project progression, and so forth. So find the board in which you want to create a new doc template and click on it, whether that's for product launches, content planning, or day-to-day operations. Next, look for that familiar little plus sign. It's usually at the top part of your board interface designed for adding new columns. Click on this symbol to bring up an array of options, as this is where you're going to start integrating documentation into your board. This is what allows your doc to live right alongside your tasks. In the search bar that appears right after, type in Monday Doc. It's important that you get the spelling right here, as this function will bring up specifics for integrating documentation resources into your board. After typing Monday Doc, click on the option that appears so you can move forward. Once you click, you'll see options for creating a new document on the menu. Go ahead and select Create New Doc. This is your blank canvas, ready for you to fill with important details and content that will benefit your project or team, such as SOPs, checklists, or planning notes. Now you'll encounter a variety of table templates you can choose from. For this example, let's pick one that fits your needs best, though you're free to explore all the options to get a feel for what's possible. These templates can help you save time and structure information more clearly from the start. With your template chosen, start typing in what you specifically want to focus on. This could be project details, meeting notes, or any key points that are important to your team's workflow. For Shopify store owners, this might include launch steps, supplier information, or content guidelines. To enhance your document further, type in the / symbol. This little trick opens up more options such as integrating links, inserting files, utilizing various widgets, adding a rich layer of functionality to your document. It's a great way to centralize everything your team needs in one place. When you're ready, click on More Options. This feature offers you further customization, like enhancing productivity or adding specific widgets and tools to tailor your document exactly to your needs. For instance, you might want to click on productivity or any other feature that feels relevant to what you're building. This allows your doc to work smarter for you and your team, not harder. Lastly, if action items are your focus, you can click on Action Items. This feature is fantastic for creating a list of tasks or responsibilities that ensures everyone knows their role and keeps the project moving forward efficiently, without the need for constant follow-ups. And there you go. Your monday.com doc is all set up and ready to go. Feel free to explore additional features and adjust them according to your workflow needs as your projects evolve. Happy organizing!